And this is the first time it snowed in Swainsboro in 8 years that I know of. Molly's been out in the snow. I'm going to start looking out the window now. See the snow outside? It's beginning to accumulate a little bit. In fact, Molly just decided to go out in the snow without my permission. Yes, it's snowing in Swainsboro. Yes, Nana and Granddaddy have snow on the ground. Probably need to go get a snow blower. Okay, there's Sharon Blankenship. We're driving through the snow.
Snowing, I don't know, I can't get my seatbelt.
Bob doesn't have any.
Oh, the road is already, look at the road. Oh, we better be.
Yes.
There's a blanket if you need.
Bob didn't put any protection on his tires either.
That's right.
No chains.
Just remember.
I really dressed up. I wore my jeans and
well, I had just this on today and I didn't change it.
I did not dress up.
Here we are riding through this heavy snow blizzard.
Whiteout conditions.
That's right.
No, I didn't see
was there.
Annie was in there.
I was checking out about.
I just went and bought a few things.
I mean, it was like a madhouse. It was like Saturday.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know the kids were out of school today.
The road is muddy out here.
Yeah.
It's a good bit of snow now.
You got the defrost on?
Yes, I do, darling. It was on. Just cut the floor up a little bit.
That's helping.
Not bad.
Gonna go the back way, are you?
I'm just going to go up.
The only people I saw and the ground with all the rain is just still so saturated.
Well, they're not too busy tonight.
No. Doesn't look like it.
There's my beautiful wife with Molly in front of the fire. And there's our doghouse we just got.
Come here.
Molly's first snow.
Good girl.
Hey, Molly. How you like the snow, girl? She's just running around. She doesn't know what to think of the snow.
Look at Granddaddy. You need to be over here because this is the way she keeps looking. Whoa. Fun? Is that fun, Molly?
Hey there, Molly. How you like all this snow?
Whoa! Go! Go, Molly! You'll be ready to run out. That's a pretty tree right there.
Come back this way.
You crazy, Molly. Oh, girl. She got it on her nose. Maybe even 4 inches. That's hard to say.
Could be. If it stays up above freezing, it'll be gone.
Look at her laying down in it. Come here, Molly. Look. Falling off the power line. Don't stand on it. A couple of pictures of her in the snow from a little scrapbook.